Next point is horizontal axis turbine. Now we are seeing horizontal axis turbine. This is the most common wind turbine design. In addition to being parallel to the ground, the axis of blade's rotation is parallel to the wind flow. In the horizontal axis turbine, we install turbine and generator horizontal to the ground, means parallel to the ground. Also, the blade rotation is parallel to the wind. That's why it is commonly used wind turbine. Some machines are designed to operate in an upwind mode with the blades upwind in the tower. In this case, a tailwind is usually used to keep the blades facing into the wind. Other design operates in a downwind mode so that the wind passes the tower before striking the blades. This is some example of horizontal axis machines. First one is multi-bladed wind pumps or wind turbine. In horizontal axis turbines, there are different types. First one is one blade, second one is two bladed, third one is three bladed wind turbine, fourth one is multi-bladed wind turbine. First, first is the multi-bladed wind turbine. Second one is a three-bladed wind turbine. It is a most commonly used turbines because due to three blades turbine, the balance of the speed balance is occurs very properly. And next one is a north four blade wind turbine. This is the most commonly used in North European countries. Now next, the advantages of horizontal axis machines. The efficiency is higher than the vertical axis machines. The first advantage is of the horizontal axis is the efficiency is greater than the vertical axis windmills. They are Second advantage is they are easier to mount high enough to avoid much of the ground effect. In the horizontal axis windmills or wind turbines, we install the generator and turbine assembly at the high heights horizontally. That's why the clearance from the ground is very large. That's why the ground effect is avoided easily. Next advantage is they are self-starting because due to wind speed, the turbine blades are the rotor blades are rotating automatically. That's why it is an self-starting turbine. They are less expensive. The technology is better developed and it is available commercially. The horizontal axis windmills are available very large quantity. The disadvantages of horizontal axis machines are as follows. First one is the many of the important parts that require maintenance are high off the ground. This is a main drawback of that horizontal axis windmills. For the maintenance purpose, we require to go to the very high level from the ground. Second disadvantage is the yaw mechanism must be in place to turn the turbine into the wind direction. Due to the due to requirement of specific wind direction to the horizontal axis windmills, the yaw control mechanism is required to turn the rotor blades or turbine blades into the direction of wind speed. These are the some representation of the turbine wind energy system. Here is the first turbines. In that the kinetic energy of wind is converted into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is in the form of DC supply. And by using rectifier units, we can convert by using rectifier and alternator. Sorry. The supply is transferred to the rectifier unit and inverter unit, the DC supply is converted into AC supply. This AC supply is given